d cube plus 8 whole into y is equal to x power 4 plus 2x plus 1. Here directly they have given the differential operator. So we have to write auxiliary equation is m cube plus 8 is equal to 0. Again here using the formula, that is a cube plus b cube is equal to a plus b, a square minus ab plus b square. So same thing we have to write for m cube plus 8 means 2 cube, that is equal to m plus 2 into m square minus, here b value is 2 and a value is m. So here it will become 2m plus 4. So same thing I will write under m cube plus 8 here. So m plus 2 into m square minus 2m plus 4 whole into 0 is equal to 0. Now m plus 2 is equal to 0. Again m square minus 2m plus 4 is equal to 0. Here m is equal to minus 2. For this second one we have to apply the quadratic equation formula, that is 2 plus or minus 4. Here a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 2, c is equal to 4. So 4ac means 16 divided by 2. So 2 plus or minus of 12 root 12 divided by 2. So we can write 2 plus or minus 2 root 3 into I divided by 2. So when we take 2 as a common in the numerator, so we will get 1 plus or minus root 3 I. Therefore yc is equal to, this comes under the case 1 and this comes under the case 3. So here yc is equal to c1 e power minus 2x plus c2 cos root 3x plus c3 sin root 3x whole into, here p value is 1, e power 1 into x. This is our yc. Next we have to see the yp. So what is our yp here? Yp is equal to x power 4 plus 2x plus 1 divided by 8 plus d cube. So I write here x power 4 plus 2x plus 1, here 8 plus d cube. To get x power 4, here we have to multiply 8 with x power 4 divided by 8. So 8 will get cancelled, remaining will be x power 4 plus, here triple differentiation of x power 4 divided by 8. So I write here first differentiation, that is d square into differentiation of x power 4 is x4 into x cube divided by 8. 4 ones are 4 twos are. Next differentiation of 2 I will write outside, d into x cube. So d by 2 differentiation of x cube is 3x square. Next last differentiation of x square is 3 by 2 into 2x. 2 will get cancelled, remaining will be 3x. One more term, it's not there, so we write here 0. Now change the sign, minus minus minus. So minus 3 plus 2 is minus x, here plus 1. Next, to get minus x here in this place, we have to multiply 8 with minus x by 8. We have to multiply 8 with minus x by 8. So 8 will get cancelled, remaining will be minus x. Next, differentiation of minus x by 8 d square into d of minus x by 8, that is equal to d square of minus 1 by 8. Next, further differentiation of the constant term, we get 0. That's why we have to write here plus 0. Change the sign. Again 1. So to get 1, we have to multiply 8 with 1 by 8. So 8 by 8 is 1. So again write here 1, 0. Other two will be 0 because constant differentiation is 0. Therefore, yp is equal to x power 4 minus x plus 1 whole divided by 8. Whole divided by 8. Therefore, y is equal to yc plus yp. Yc is c1 e power minus 2x plus c2 cos root 3x plus c3 sin root 3x whole into e power x plus yp, x power 4 minus x plus 1 divided by 8. I write d cube y divided by dx cube plus d square y divided by dx square plus 4 dy dx plus 4y is equal to x square minus 4x minus 6. So here also we have to write in the differential operator d cube plus d square plus 4d plus 4 whole into y is equal to x square minus 4x minus 6. Auxiliary equation is m cube plus m square plus 4m plus 4 is equal to 0. In the first two, I take m square as a common, remaining will be m plus 1. The third and fourth, I take 4 as a common, remaining will be m plus 1. So m plus 1 into m square plus 4 is equal to 0. So m is equal to minus 1, other one is plus or minus 2i. Yc, this comes under the case 1 and this one case 3. So c1 e power minus x, c2 cos 2x plus c3 sin 2x. This is the yc. Yp, x square minus 4x minus 6 divided by d cube plus d square plus 4d plus 4. I just rewrite the yp denominator 4 plus 4d plus d square plus d cube. Here I write the division method. So here I write x square minus 4x minus 6. Here 4 plus 4d plus d square plus d cube. So to get x square, we have to divide by x square by 4. 4x square by 4 is again x square only. Next, first differentiation 4d x square by 4. 4 will get cancelled. Differentiation of the x square is 2x. Next, double differentiation of x square by 4. So I split this one as a d into x square by 4. First differentiation is 2x by 4. 2 ones are 2 twos are. Second differentiation of x is 1. So we get 1 by 2. Here I write plus 1 by 2. Next, d cube. d cube of x square by 4. So d into d square into d into x square by 4. So d square into 2x by 4. So d into differentiation of x by 2, that is 1 by 2. Differentiation of the 1 by 2 is 0. Right here 0. Now change the sign, minus, minus, minus. So here minus 2x minus 4x is minus 6x. Again minus 6 minus 1 by 2 is minus 13 by 2. Now to get 6x we have to multiply 4 with 3x by 2. Why 3x by 2? Here I write 3x by 2 into 4. 2 ones are 2 twos are. So here we get 6x. So like that we have to multiply. See the proper value. That value, if you multiply like this, you have to get the same value what we have got here. So here 3x by 2. So minus is there. So I will write here minus 3x by 2 means minus 6x. Again here 4d into minus 3x by 2. 2 ones are 2 twos are. So differentiation of 3x is minus 3. So here we get minus 6. Next here we have degree 1, but here we have 2. So if you do the double differentiation of 3x by 2, for single differentiation we get 3 by 2. So once again if you do the differentiation we will get 0. Same thing for the d cube also. Now change the sign. Here also minus 13 by 2 plus 6 is minus 1 by 2. Again for 4 to get 1 by 2 we have to multiply 1 by 8 because 4 by 8 is 1 by 2. So here again 1 by 2, change the sign, we get 0. 1 by 8 differentiation is 0. So rest of other things it will come 0. So we can stop up to here. So yp is x square by 4 minus 3x by 2 minus 1 by 8. Therefore y is equal to yc plus yp. Yc means c1 e power minus x, c2 cos 2x plus c3 sin 2x. Yp is x square by 4 minus 3x by 2 minus 1 by 8. This is the final answer. Minus 3x plus 1 divided by d cube minus d square. So here again we have to rewrite the denominator term. First we have to write lowest degree then highest degree. So here if we do the division method, x square minus 3x plus 1, here minus d square plus d cube. So here there is no numerical number. If it is a numerical number, will be easy. By deciding the appropriate number, we can multiply with that numerical. But here they have directly given the differentiation. So what we have to do in this case, we have to do first is x square. So x square divided by first term is minus d square. So this means minus double time differentiation of the x square into dx. So first integration, double time integration of x square into dx. First integration is x cube by 3 into dx. Second integration is x power 4 divided by 12. Second integration. So what we have to do, this integration, what we got, that we have to write here, x power 4 divided by 12, because when reciprocal of the differentiation is integration and reciprocal of the integration is differentiation. So here I write x square. If you do the cross verification, d square yes, here I write minus x power 4 d square into x power 4 divided by 12 minus x power 4 divided by 12 means minus into minus it will become plus. First differentiation of x power 4 is 4x cube divided by 12. 4 ones are 4 3s are. Second differentiation 3x square divided by 3. 3 will get cancelled. We get x square only. So our value after doing the integration, it is correct. This is for your verification part. Now next again minus, here I write this side d cube of minus x power 4 divided by 12. This one we can do directly. So first differentiation of x power 4 is 4x cube divided by 12. 4 ones are 4 3s are. Next second differentiation 3x square divided by 3. 3 will get cancelled. Last differentiation minus 2x. So I write here minus 2x. One more term it's not there, so I will write 0. Change the sign. Here minus minus, here plus. Minus 3 plus 2 is minus x plus 1. Again to get x, what we have to do the integration, because here it is only x. When we do the double integral differentiation, we get 0. So what we have to do at that time, again the same method, minus x divided by minus d square. So double time differentiation of x into dx. So here x square by 2, that is equal to, one more time we have to do the integration, x cube divided by 6. So here I will write plus x cube divided by 6. Why we have taken x cube by 6 means to get minus x. Let us see the verification part. So minus d square into x cube by 6. So minus of d into first differentiation is 6x square, 3x square by 6. 3 ones are 3 twos are. So minus, again next differentiation of x square is 2x divided by 2. So 2 will get cancelled. Again we will get the same answer, minus x. So our integration term, it is correct. So here I will write minus x. Next d cube of x cube by 6. So d square of first differentiation 3x square divided by 6. So 3 ones are 3 twos are. Second differentiation of x square is 2x. Third differentiation of x is 1. So here I write plus 1. Change the sign, here plus, here minus. So we get 0. Therefore our yp or particular integral is minus x power 4 divided by 12 plus x cube by 6. Like this, first we have to do the, whenever there is a differentiation, first term differentiation, at that time we have to use the integration method to find out the differentiating factor. d cube y divided by dx cube plus 2d square y divided by dx square plus dy by dx is equal to x cube. For this problem, first we have to find the yc. So I write the differentiating operator d cube plus 2d square plus d y is equal to x cube. Now auxiliary equation is m cube plus 2m square plus m is equal to 0. From all the term I take m as a common, so I get m square plus 2m plus 1. So m is equal to 0 and this is in the form a plus b whole square. So we get m plus 1 whole square. M is equal to 0, minus 1, comma, minus 1. This is case 1 and this is case 2. So yc is equal to c1 e power 0x plus, this is the repeated root, so it comes under the case 2. So c2 plus c3x into e power minus x. Next, come for the yp. Yp, they have given x cube. Here I write with the lowest degree in the denominator d plus 2d square plus d cube. So to find here, I write the division method. Here I write x cube. Here I write d plus 2d square plus d cube. So here they have given the differentiation factor. So if it is a number, we can make the appropriate value to get the same value what we have in the division method. So what I have to do, I write here x cube divided by d whenever there is a differential operator first instead of constant number. So integration of x cube into dx is equal to x power 4 divided by 4. I just write here x power 4 divided by 4. Next, 2 into d square of x power 4 divided by 4. So I split 2 ones are 2 twos are. I write this 1 by 2 outside. Differentiation of first differentiation of x power 4 is 4x cube. So 2 ones are 2 twos are. Second differentiation is 6x square. Here I write x cube first, then here I write plus 6x square. Next comes d cube of x power 4 divided by 4. So the triple time differentiation. So here first differentiation is d square into 4x cube divided by 4. 4 will get cancelled. Second differentiation is 3x square. Third differentiation is 6x. So I write plus 6x. Change the sign. Change the sign. So here we get minus 6x square minus 6x. Again, for the second term, we have to get minus 6x square, but here it is a differential operator. So I write minus 6x square divided by d. That is the reciprocal of the differentiation is integration. So 6x square into dx. So minus 6x cube divided by 3. So we get 3 ones are 3 twos are minus 2x cube. So here I write minus 2x cube. If you do the differentiation of the minus 2x cube, we get minus 6x square. Next comes here double time differentiation of minus 2x cube. So I write minus 4 outside. First differentiation is 3x square. Minus 4 into 3 minus 12. Second time differentiation is 2x. So we get minus 24x. So here I write minus 24x. Next comes here d cube into minus 2x cube. So first differentiation is 3 into 2, 6x squared. So second differentiation is minus 12x. Third differentiation is minus 12. So here I write minus 12. Change the sign. Here plus, here also plus, here also plus according to the simultaneous equation. So 24 minus 6 is 18x plus 12. Again here we are having the differential operator. So I write this side. Yes, I write here. So 18x divided by d, single integration of 18x into dx, because reciprocal of the differentiation is integration. 18x square divided by 2, 2 ones are 2 nines are. So here we can write plus 9x square. When we do the differentiation of 9x square, we get 18x. Next, double time differentiation of 9x square. So I write 18 outside. First differentiation of x square is 2x. So here we get 36 into differentiation of the x is 1. So here I write plus 36. Again, change this sign. Again, change the sign here. Next, minus 36 plus 12 is minus 24. Again, minus 24 divided by d means minus 24 into dx. So integration of 1 with respect to x is x. So we get minus 24x. Minus 24x. So here differentiation of the minus 24x is minus 24. Change the sign. Here we get 0. Therefore, other two, the first differentiation only we will get 24. So second differentiation it will become 0. So yp is equal to x power 4 divided by 4 minus 2x cube plus 9x square minus 24x. Therefore, y is equal to yc plus yp. That is equal to c1 plus c2 plus c3 e power minus x. Yp is x power 4 by 4 minus 2x cube plus 9x square minus 24x. D cube plus 1 whole into y is equal to cos of pi by 2 minus x plus e power x. This problem here we can see the trigonometric sine and cos it comes means it is in the type 2 and this is the type 1. So before solving the yp, first we have to solve here also yc. So auxiliary equation is m cube plus 1 is equal to 0. Using the formula a cube plus b cube is equal to a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square. So m plus 1 into m square minus m plus 1 is equal to 0. M is equal to minus 1. Again m is equal to, here a value is 1, b value is -1, c value is 1. So quadratic equation formula, that is 1 plus or minus 1 minus 4 divided by 2. So 1 plus or minus root 3i. 1 plus or minus root 3i. Root 3i divided by 2. This comes under the case 1 and this comes under the case 3. So yc is equal to c1 e power minus x plus c2 cos root 3 by 2 x, c3 sin root 3 by 2 x. We have the p value, that is e power 1 by 2 x. You can split this one as a 1 by 2 plus or minus root 3 by 2 I. So this is our yc. Next yp, cos pi by 2 minus x plus e power x. So yes, what is the cos of pi by 2 minus x? What is the formula?
And cos pi by 2 minus x is minus cos x, ma'am.
See the formula properly. What is the cos of pi by 2 minus x?
Sin x, ma'am.
Yes. Cos of pi by 2 minus x is sin x. So we have to replace in the place of cos of pi by 2 minus x as a sin x. Yes, right. In the place of cos of pi by 2 minus x as a sin x. Yes, sin x divided by d cube plus 1. Here I write e power x divided by d cube plus 1. So this is the type 2 and this is the type 1. So in the type 2, we have to replace d square by a square. So what is our a value here? What is our a value is 1. Yes. Yes, I write here a is equal to 1. So d square should be replaced by minus a square, that is equal to minus 1. So sin x divided by, in the place of d square we have to write minus 1 into d plus 1. Here type 1. Type 1 means d is equal to a. So a is equal to 1. So e power x divided by 1 plus 1, 2. Next, here we have to do the rationalization. I take minus as a common. So in the denominator I get d minus 1. Rationalization means d plus 1 divided by d plus 1 plus e power x by 2 minus of d into sin x plus sin x divided by d square minus 1 plus e power x divided by 2, that is minus of differentiation of sin x is cos x plus sin x divided by d square means minus 1 e power x by 2. So cos x plus sin x divided by 2 because minus minus will get cancelled. So you can write minus minus will get cancelled. We get 2 plus e power x divided by 2. Therefore, y is equal to yc plus yp. So yc value is c1 e power minus x plus c2 cos root 3 by 2x plus c3 sin root 3 by 2x whole into e power 1 by 2x plus e power x plus cos x plus sin x whole divided by 2. Whole divided by 2. D square y divided by dx square minus 2 into dy by dx plus y is equal to x. Here first we have to write the differential operator, that is d square minus 2d plus 1 whole into y is equal to x. So again auxiliary equation is m square minus 2m plus 1 is equal to 0. It is in the form a minus b whole square. So here we get m is equal to 1 comma 1. This comes under the case 2. So yc is equal to c1 plus c2x whole power ex. Next yp, x divided by d square minus 2d plus 1. This comes under the type 3. This comes under the type 3. Why I am marking here in each and everywhere means while reading you have to get to know which method you have used. So here I write the division method. Here I write x. Here I write in the lower term. So plus 1 minus 2d plus d square. X divided by 1 minus 2d plus d square. So here to get x we have to multiply 1 with x. So x means here change the sign. Next differentiation of x is 1. So remaining is minus 2. Double differentiation we will get 0. So minus 2. Again minus 2 we have to multiply with the 1. We get minus 2. Again differentiation of the constant term is 0. So here we get 0. So yp is equal to x. Wait a minute. Here I made a mistake. Yes. Here minus sign should come. Here plus. So after changing the sign, here plus 2. Plus 2 means we have to multiply 1 with the 2. So here we get x plus 2. Therefore, y is equal to yc plus yp. So c1 plus c2x whole power e power x plus x plus 2. This is the yp value. So we get x plus 2. 4y dash minus 12y is equal to e power 2x minus 3 sine 2x. So here write in the form of differential operator, that is d square plus 4d minus 12 whole into y is equal to e power 2x minus 3 sine 2x. Next auxiliary equation is m square plus 4m minus 12 is equal to 0. Here I write the root. I split the root as 6m minus 2m minus 12. So m into m plus 6, again minus 2, here we get m plus 6. So m minus 2 into m plus 6 is equal to 0. M is equal to 2 comma minus 6. This comes under the case 1. So yc is equal to c1 e power 2x plus c2 e power minus 6x. Now yp e power 2x, I split here only, divided by d square plus 4d minus 12 minus 3 sine 2x divided by d square plus 4d minus 12. This is the type 1 and this is the type 2. So for type 1 we have to replace d by a. So e power 2x. So our a value is 2. So 4 plus 4 into 2 minus 12. So here 4 plus 8, 12. 12 minus 12, 0. So denominator it comes 0. Minus 3 into sine 2x. Here our a value is 2. D is replaced by minus a square. So here we get minus 4 plus 4d minus 12. Here, when denominator is 0, we have to multiply x and write the e power 2x as it is. Differentiation of the f of d, that is 2d plus 4. Again, minus 3 sine 2x, 4d minus 16. So here again I write d is equal to a. Here in the first step I write d is equal to a. So I get 2 into 2 plus 4 for the first step. For the first step, yes, here e power 2x divided by 2 into 2 plus 4 minus, here in the denominator I take 4 as a common, remaining sine 2x divided by d minus 4. So x into e power 2x, 4 plus 4 is 8. Here I go into d plus 4 divided by d plus 4. X into e power 2x divided by 8 minus 3 by 4. Differentiation of the sine 2x plus 4 into sine 2x divided by d square minus 16. X into e power 2x divided by 8 minus 3 by 4. Differentiation of the sine 2x is 2 cos 2x plus 4 sine 2x. Again d square is replaced by minus 4 minus 16 as it is. X into e power 2x divided by 8 minus 3 by 4. In the numerator, I take 2 as a common term. So I get cos 2x plus 2 sine 2x divided by minus 20. Minus plus 2 ones are 2 twos are. So we get final answer x into e power 2x divided by 8 plus 3 by 40 into cos 2x plus 2 sine 2x. Therefore, y is equal to yc plus yp. So c1 e power 2x plus c2 e power minus 6x plus x into e power 2x divided by 8 plus 3 by 40 into cos 2x plus 2 sin 2x. This is the answer.